Learning with Rhymes.
Hello kids, welcome to Learning with Rhymes. In this video, we will count numbers from 51 to 100. Let's begin. 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70 71 72 73 74 75 76 77 78 79 80 81 82 83 84 85 86 87 88 89 90 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 100. Great job, kids! You counted from 51 to 100. Keep practicing and learning every day. See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more fun rhymes.